Wish I had a log to sit on. A talking log. Maybe I'll go get one. Because, yeah, I'm gonna try to record myself talking to you guys. Again, whoever you guys are. My future internet friends, my current ones. Yes, so gonna try to talk into the camera. Every time I come out here, I don't have to use the videos. I don't want to, but I need to get comfortable sitting in front of the camera because it's one of the reasons why I really wanted to do this YouTube, is because I can be awkward as hell. Like, I have gnarly social anxiety, so, and like, I guess, yeah, super insecure about a lot of things too. So it's like when you're super insecure and you have the social anxiety, which is caused by the insecurities, sometimes you close in, and that's what makes me an introvert who says weird shit. So this is me being extroverted by myself still, which will help me be extroverted one day in real life with other people. That's what I meant to get at. Today is very hot. Colton just sent me an email. I absolutely love the people I work with. They're the most amazing team of people ever. So I can't ever quit, and I hope to never get fired. But sometimes I also just wish I didn't have a job and I could just work on this project and then other projects. I wish I could just work on projects. I wish I had $1 million and could work on projects all day. The projects that I want to work on, because I work on projects for other people. But right now it's the balance. Maybe one day when Home Depot sponsors me, I'll be able to just do projects. Those are more fun than work, and they can be projects that sustain my life, like the chickens. And I said a tree house, that's just going to be cool, but like a garden and vegetables, fruits, I think that's about all I want to have to manage and take care of. But hopefully my brother gets like a horse and other stuff. But yeah, so I don't know. I got stung, I don't know if you can still see it, by a bee yesterday, which was momentarily like terrifying, because the last time I got stung by a bee, I think I was like 5 or 6, and I just remember I ended up in the ER at NSA Jax because I'm allergic to bees, and my whole leg turned fucking purple and blew up into a water balloon, I believe. So but yes, so I got stung, and then I ran inside and I was like, I don't have an EpiPen. I don't know what the fuck happens to me when I get stung because I was so young the first time. And then I went inside, I took a shower, I was waiting to die. Not die, but like for something like scary to happen. And it just swelled up, and it itches like a motherfucker. It itches very badly. I didn't mean to say that. I did mean to say that. We use that phrase a lot around here. Motherfucker. When it, something just gets in your way, or you cut a tree down and it just keeps coming back. Motherfucker. Or my brother. Motherfucker. Never Maritza. It's always my brother or me. Motherfuckers. We're not motherfuckers though. Weird. How do you stop this? I got my gloves on. I put them back on because I had to take them off so that I could touch the stop button. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Why?